Smita Patil. She was an Indian actress of film, television, and theatre. She is regarded amongst the finest stage and film actresses of her times and one of the greatest film actresses of all time. In a lifespan of 31 years, she appeared in over 80 Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Malayalam, and Kannada films in a career that spanned just over a decade. She served as a jury member of the Montreal World Film Festival in 1984. She was also an active feminist and a member of the Women's Centre in Mumbai. She was born in Pune to a Maharashtrian politician, Shivaji Rao Girdhar Patil, and social worker mother Vidyatai Patil from Shirpur town of Maharashtra state. She was an alumni of Film and Television Institute of India in Pune. Her first tryst with the camera was in the early 1970s as a television newsreader on the newly transmitting Doordarshan, the Indian government-run broadcaster, which was the only channel on the airwaves during those days. It was Shyam Benegal who discovered her and offered her Charandas Chor in 1975 and Nishant in the same year. At the age of 21, she won her first national award for her sensitive portrayal in Bhumika in 1977, making her one of the youngest recipients at that time. She donated the money from the award to charity for a noble cause. She got her second national award for Chakra in 1980. During the making of the movie, she used to visit the slums in Bombay. Although art films were her forte, she proved her capability even in commercial films like Namak Halal and Shakti, both released in 1982. She first met actor Raj Babbar during the shoot of Sisir Mishra's film Bhigi Palke in 1982, and that's when Cupid struck between the two. She drew severe criticism from her fans and the media when he left his wife Nadira Babbar to marry her. She was labelled as a homebreaker. Smita died from childbirth complications and brain fever on 13 December 1986, aged 31, barely 2 weeks after having given birth to her son Pratik Babbar. After Smita's demise, Raj was shattered and he went back to Nadira and his children. Despite criticism, she accepted him with open arms. She even attended the funeral of Smita. Many believe Smita's greatest and unfortunately final role was that of the feisty and fiery Sonbai in Ketan Mehta directed Mirch Masala, which released after her death in 1987. On the centenary of Indian cinema in April 2013, Forbes included her performance in the film on its list of the 25 greatest acting performances of Indian cinema. Over 10 of her films were released after her death.